Hello everyone, how are you all? Everyone fine? Today is the last day before exam and I hope everyone is in their best of time. Even though if you have completed only 70% or 75% or 80% syllabus, nothing to worry. Believe me, if you have completed 80% or 75% syllabus, from that syllabus whatever you have completed, उन्हीं से 100 marks का पेपर आ सकता है. what we what I just want to inform you that our question paper is of 120 marks, and out of that 120 or 125 marks, the 100 marks question may be from the portion whatever you have done till now. It means right now, even though you have completed 75%, 80%, and suppose you are not able to complete, or if suppose you are not you have never done the 20% syllabus and you can't do it right now, even though some days are left, some portion of days are left, then also nothing to worry. Focus on what you have done. Don't panic right now. Keep smiling that you have done 80%. We are Atma, not Paramatma. We cannot be perfect. Understood. ICAI also say that we need to score only 50% aggregate to become CA. 50% we need to score to become CA. Then why you are worrying about 100% syllabus? We cannot be perfect. Now ICAI says that CAs are not perfect. CA means what? You need to score only 50%. They are also not demanding 100% marks in exam. So why you are worried? Out of 80% or 70%, whatever syllabus you have completed, you can easily score more than 50%. That is our target. That is our benchmark. Got it? I'm not saying that you should right now focus on 50% marks, but what I want to say that even though you have completed 80% of syllabus, from the 80% syllabus 100 marks paper can be asked, and out of 100 marks paper you can easily score more than 60 or 70% marks. Got it? Correct. So right now whatever you have done, if whatever you have done, that is you need to focus, and suppose the 20% 30% in the balance time you can do it, but don't panic right now. And if you are not able to do the balance 20% 30% in the remaining time, then there is nothing to worry. Focus on whatever you have done. Got it? Right now the time is what? 5 p.m. Now at 5 p.m. I am making this video. Even though 5 p.m. the entire day is left, some hours are left, and the next day also you have some hour till the exam time. So in that time also you can revise. So right now whatever you have done, okay, if you can complete the balance syllabus, it is more than enough. Got it? So why you are right now fearing about exam? There should not be fear. Right now keep smiling. Whatever you have done, from that only question is going to come. That you need to have a belief. Right now believe in yourself, believe in your ability, and just hold on your emotions. Just hold on your emotions. Just try to, you need to control your emotions right now. Got it? Got it? Once again, I want to just inform you that any chartered accountant who score rank have also not got 99%, 95% in exam. They have also scored 75% or 80%. So that much preparation you have already done. That I just want to inform you. Correct? Yes, sir. Now you need to right now whatever time has been left, that you should utilize effectively. So right now don't be afraid, because if you start panic, if you have panic in your mind right now, you will not be able to utilize the balance time. That I just want to inform you. Got it? Correct? Okay, I hope this balance time whatever is left, either you use in revising whatever has been done, or if you think that आप जो बैलेंस पोर्शन है 20% 30% आप उसको कंप्लीट कर सकते हो, then you should revise that also. Got it? Correct? Paper whatever is going to come in exam will be from ICAI study material. Don't worry about the paper quality. Paper will be always easy. In ICAI exam question papers are easy, and believe me, if the question paper is complicated, it will be complicated for everyone. If suppose new question is coming, so that new question is new for everyone. Now apply your concept that time. If you are not able to do some question, nothing to worry. Question paper is coming new, that is new for everyone. So why you are worried? Correct? Understood? Don't worry. At this point of time, whatever you have done, that is more than enough to pass the CA examination. Got it? Thank you very much. Don't be afraid. I am with you in the last moment. Whatever doubt you have, you can call me directly. I am available with you. Correct? Got it? Tomorrow is your very big day. Think about that day right now. You were waiting for this day from many years, and that day is going to come. Got it? And you can do whatever you want to do. Just got up, follow your dreams. You need to follow your dreams, because for this day you are waiting from the many years. That day is going to come. Whatever you have done, once again I am saying that is more than enough to get good marks in CA exam. Got it? All the best for your CA examination. Best of luck. My wishes are always with you. Happy and be happy and remain happy and be calm. Thank you very much.